A dividend is a reward paid to the shareholders for their investment in a company's equity. In order to receive this dividend, you must own the stock before the ex-dividend date. Dividends are commonly distributed to the shareholders quarterly. In order to receive a steady stream of dividend income, you have to get a little creative. In this video we're going to talk about a solid amount of stocks so you can get yourself a steady stream of that dividend income. And before I forget, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into it. As I just mentioned, dividends are commonly distributed quarterly. The strategy here is to build your portfolio with stocks that pay in different months in each quarter. You have stocks that pay in the first month of each quarter, January, April, July and October. You have stocks that pay in the second month of each quarter, February, May, August and November. And stocks that pay in the third month of each quarter, March, June, September and December. Kicking off with the first month of each quarter. The first stock in today's video, which I will talk about, is Best Buy, ticker symbol BBY. As you can see on the screen, Best Buy has a solid dividend yield of 4.55%. A very healthy payout ratio of 33.76%, which I like to be under 50%. The 5-year growth rate of the dividend is insane, with 20.57%. And they've been consecutively growing their dividend for 9 years in a row. Moving on with Genuine Parts Corporation, ticker symbol GPC. Genuine Parts currently has a dividend yield of 2.28%, a reasonable payout ratio of 44%, and a not too bad 5-year dividend growth rate of 5%, which I like to be 5% or more. GPC is one of the companies with the most consecutive dividend increases in a row, with 65 years. Wrapping up the first month of each quarter with some good options. Let's move on and take a look at 3 stocks who pay in the second month of each quarter. First up the list is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple has a small dividend yield of 0.55%. The payout ratio is 14.69%, which is very low. They've been consecutively growing their dividend for 8 years with a decent 5-year growth rate of 8.45%. The next stock who pays in the second month of each quarter is AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. AbbVie has a really good dividend yield of 4% with a payout ratio of 42%. Their 5-year dividend growth rate is really good with 17.46%, and they have been consecutively increasing their dividend for 8 years now. The last stock we're covering in this list is Lowe's, ticker symbol LOW. Lowe's has a dividend yield of 2% with a really good payout ratio of 27%. Lowe's is a dividend king with 58 years of dividend growth with a whopping 18.77% 5-year dividend growth rate. Moving on to 3 stocks who pay a dividend in the third and last month of each quarter. The first stock on that list is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft has a dividend yield of 0.9% and a payout ratio just like Lowe's with 27%. Microsoft has a 5-year dividend growth rate of almost 10% and they have been consecutively increasing their dividend for 17 years in a row. The second stock on the list is Snap-on, ticker symbol SNA. Snap-on has a dividend yield of 2.5% and they pay out 34% of their free cash flow as a dividend. Snap-on has been growing their dividend for 12 years in a row with a really solid 5-year dividend growth rate of 15%. The last stock we're covering in today's video is T. Rowe Price, ticker symbol TROW. They have a good dividend yield of almost 4% with a payout ratio of 42%. T. Rowe Price has been growing their dividend for 35 years in a row with a 5-year dividend growth rate of 15.5%. If you would add 1 share of each stock covered in today's video, you would have had an annual income of $37, which means that you're getting paid $3 every single month for holding these stocks into your portfolio. This way you're receiving some real passive income. And once you keep investing and also reinvesting those dividends, you might, when you retire, live off your dividends. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. Check out my other video where I talk about why I believe we're heading into a recession. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.